If your pump doesn't prime, not able to draw paint from the paint bucket, you can solve it with 3 steps. Follow them chronologically. If a step doesn't work, go to the next one. Firstly, make sure the suction tube is fully immersed in the paint. If this is not the case, the paint spraying unit will draw air and will be unable to prime. If the suction tube is fully immersed in the paint, but the paint spraying unit is still unable to prime, continue with the next step. Check if the spraying valve is switched to prime. On this image, you can see where the spraying valve is located on the different paint spraying units. If the paint spraying unit still doesn't prime, check if the inlet-outlet valve ball is blocked or clogged by residue paint. The inlet-outlet valve balls can be unlocked through 3 ways. Option 1 is to use the push prime button. We advise you to use this button every time when starting up your paint spraying unit. Are the inlet-outlet valve balls still stuck after using the push prime button? Try to rinse them by attaching a garden hose to the paint spraying machine. Use the connection part that was included when buying the unit. Firstly, switch the pressure knob to prime and let water flow through the paint sprayer for 10 seconds. Lock the safety ball of the paint sprayer and remove the tip guard. Aim the pistol on the side of a bucket. Hold the trigger and turn the pressure knob to spray. Are the inlet-outlet valve balls still stuck? You can unblock them manually with a small screwdriver. Use a small screwdriver to unblock the outlet valve ball. Remove the suction tube to gain access to the inlet valve ball. Then use a small screwdriver to clear out dried paint or other debris.